Once upon a time, in a magical forest, there was a special hat. This wasn't just any hat, but a sorting hat, known for its magical powers. Every year, the sorting hat would gather all the magical creatures who lived in the forest and help them find their homes. One day, a small rabbit named Remy wandered into the forest, lost and scared. He had no idea where he belonged. Seeing the little rabbit, the sorting hat called out, "You've come a long way, little one. Let me help you find your place." Remy hopped up to the sorting hat, his heart beating fast. "I don't know where I belong," he said, tears in his eyes. The sorting hat thought for a moment, then said, "Close your eyes and think about the magic that makes you, you." Remy closed his eyes and thought about the soft, fluffy fur on his body, his long, twitching ears, and his powerful hind legs meant for speed. "I love to run," Remy said, opening his eyes. "I love the feeling of the wind in my fur and the grass beneath my feet." The sorting hat nodded. "You belong in the forest of speed. You will find your home there, Remy." Remy hopped happily, grateful for the sorting hat's help. He knew he would find his place, thanks to the magical sorting hat. From that day forward, Remy lived in the forest of speed, using his magic to run faster and faster. He was happy and at home, forever grateful for the magical sorting hat. The end.